How dogs see? The first thing we need to know is that the sight of dogs is not like ours, and that is that they cannot cover as wide a range of colors as we could. This happens because the canine eye consists of fewer color receptors, since they have 2 versus the 3 that we have. Due to the lack of a receiver, dogs will see green as a yellowish gray, and red as a yellowish brown as well. You could say that dogs are color blind, to understand in plain words the kind of vision they have. And the forms? How do dogs see them? What is clear is that dogs do not see white and black as popular beliefs say. However, neither reach the colors nor the sharpness that our eye is able to capture, and its definition in what refers to forms is not the same as ours. According to studies that have been done in this regard, dogs find it difficult to distinguish small objects at a long distance, while up close they are not able to perceive details. However, if the long-distance object moved, the instinct of the animal would multiply its abilities by 3. In this, it is clear that dogs win us. His eye will not see so many colors, but he is able to perceive movements at great distances in a spectacular way. And this also plays an important role his instinct, since we must not forget that dogs have always been hunters, and this added in their eyes allowed them to catch the prey more easily. How do dogs see in the dark? Perhaps it would be better to ask the question in another way: can dogs see in the dark? The answer is no. This not only happens to dogs but also to other animals. There are many who do not have the ability to see in the dark. In any case, it should be noted that the canine eye is prepared to see in low light conditions. Why? Because of the size of his pupil, bigger than ours. This allows a greater light input, which means that their receivers work better in the dark. But in addition to this, dogs have a membrane called tapetum lucidum. This makes a mirror reflecting flashes of light, which will then be sent to the receivers, and which will allow these animals to have a greater vision in the dark. We have already seen that the vision of a human and a dog are different, but adaptable to the needs of each one, although we must remember that the most developed organ of the dog is the smell and is the one that most uses to survive. We hope we have satisfied your curiosity on this subject, as much as we have. Knowing more and more about our friends the dogs helps us to continue living in a calm way with them and, of course, to better understand many of their behaviors. Discover the quick and easy way to an obedient dog without spending hours of training, and thousands of dollars in expenses. Learn how to do it and become an expert trainer. Click on the link in the description of this video. Remember to subscribe, share the video, like, and of course comment. Thank you. Good day.